A very good afternoon, everybody. I'd like to thank Dr. Partha and ARC team for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I'll be talking about surgical training by faculty member. And when we talk about surgical training during residency, we mostly talk about cataract surgery because it's the cornerstone of residency training. And we know the various challenges we face in during cataract surgery. That is a microsurgery, so only one operating surgeon at a time. We operate inside the eye. There's a little room for error. Patients are awake, so there is a difficulty in giving real-time feedback between the mentor and the trainee. And it is a combination of 100 minute steps that build on each other to deliver the final outcome, each step having its own implication. So when we talk about an effective mentor, he should be no doubt be a skilled surgeon, but he should also be an effective communicator. And besides skill, patience and courage is needed to attend the residence. No doubt, as Dr. Rakesh very nicely said, by training by fellow or senior residents make you feel more comfortable for the initial steps and avoids that pre-op tachycardia and nervousness, and make you more confident that it's more likely you might complete the case despite your few faults. But when we talk about training by a faculty member, as I feel, the faculty member, the only difference is more experienced. And this adds on to lots of things. Like first of all, when the resident is operating, he is sure that a senior skilled surgeon is sitting next to him and take care of it, and the final outcome will be good. And training by a faculty member, again, he is well versed in tackling all sorts of complications. So is confident to allow the trainee to perform various steps in a freehand manner. He's also well versed with the commonest steps where a trainee can go wrong, so he can warn prior to committing the mistakes, resulting in a better surgical outcome. Besides this, if things go wrong, I feel because of the experience and the number of surgery as a faculty the person has performed, he will be more patient if things go wrong, as he know that to begin with, the residents might perform bad initially and they do wonders later. And then they make you technically sound rather just focusing on completion of steps. They can critically observe the operating surgeon, their individual steps, and can correct the actual problem. For example, the hold grip of the instruments, the movement of the hand during rexes, and various techniques. So besides this, these are the other ways to enhance your surgical skills using eye simulators, in-depth understanding of theoretical aspects, observing live surgeries, watching your own surgical videos prior to the surgery. And besides this, a positive reinforcement that yes, you can do it. That's it. Thank you.
Usha ma'am, what is your